Can you imagine if you would have bought 1,000 shares of AHPI before it exploded? You would have made a little over 22 grand in a week. Welcome traders, this is going to be a video covering everything you've ever wanted to know about the coronavirus stocks in 2020. I am going to be showing you how you can use this very simple tool to execute your trades more effectively and make serious gains buying stocks as they are moving up or shorting them on the way down. And real quick, if you haven't already seen my previous videos regarding when I think the next stock market crash will be, or what days the stock market goes up or down on, then I highly recommend you go back and watch those videos, as I'm sure you'll find a lot of great information there. So ever since the coronavirus pandemic, which has very sadly sickened hundreds of thousands of people across the globe, many biotech stocks have taken off, with many of them going supernova. Now, most of these stocks have just been flash in the pan, simply running off of pure hype and not sustaining any of their gains, but nonetheless have created unbelievable opportunities for traders who are lucky enough to get in as they are sailing to the top and cash out before they crash back down. And not only have these types of stocks carved their way through the stock market recently, but they have also created a bevy of opportunities for other related stocks to experience massive growth as a new way of living has emerged. And the question has now become, which coronavirus stock will take off next? So a little about me, I'm a part-time self-taught long bias day and swing trader. I currently use the Thinkorswim platform, and in the past year, I have grown my account from about 1.5 to 8K. A little disclaimer, this information that I'm presenting to you is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. Any information shared here is purely speculative and should not be taken as financial advice. Finally, the hypotheses I share here are only to be used in the context of the coronavirus pandemic. They are not intended to be reflective of the typical market and cannot be applied beyond their intended interpretation. So the period we are covering is going to be from February 21st to April 17th. The reason I'm choosing February 21st is because, as I mentioned in my previous videos, that is likely when the stock market reacted to the news of the coronavirus pandemic and went into a complete free fall, therefore making these stocks relevant. The following is a list of my sources listed in order of relevance: Yahoo Finance, Benzingo, Zacks Finance, Stocks to Trade Watchlist. In terms of what qualifiers I chose for each stock to make the list, this includes but is not limited to having a bullish chart, high volume, high volatility, consistent growth, breaking of 52-week highs, product relevance in relation to the coronavirus pandemic. I have analyzed these stocks in terms of their percent increase, as this is the most useful indicator in terms of assessing the stock's potential for growth. I will not be going into the fundamentals, as most of these are speculative stocks. They are known to have weak fundamentals. So these include things like low float runners, and they are not the type of stocks that are suitable for long-term investing. They're typically suited for day trading only. So I will not be covering things like fundamentals, whether a stock is over or undervalued, whether to hold long-term, although it is not recommended for the vast majority, market cap, float, and forward PE. All of those will not be covered. So I trust that you guys can do your own research into, whatever stocks that you may be interested in. So let's get to the list. I have organized these stocks into the following categories, as you can see here. So we have test kits. So these are biotech companies that are focused purely on testing for the coronavirus and making the most efficient, fast, and cost-effective testing equipment. Vaccines, hopefully that doesn't need too much explanation. Obviously, we need to immunize the population against the coronavirus, and we need a vaccine in order to do that. Treatment, again, many different types of treatments out there, with obviously, as I'm sure you've heard, Gilead leading the pack in terms of a potential cure. Medical equipment, so things like PPE, masks, and protective gear for all the nurses, doctors, and first responders. Stay at home, so these are things like home delivery, food delivery, and home exercise equipment. Task force partners, now these are companies that have linked up with the US government task force to make or deliver supplies and can include medical companies as well. So this isn't meant to be an end-all be-all list, but it's just the ones that have jumped out to me in the past few weeks. So I'll now go through each stock with its percent increase, and to get the percent increase, I have taken the old price of a stock, subtracted it from the new price of a stock, then divided it by the old price and multiplied by 100. A percent increase result that shows in the hundreds means that the stock has doubled in value multiple times, so therefore it doubled, tripled, quadrupled, and so on. So under the test kit category, looking at HLTY, this went from 12 to 55 cents. And again, this is looking at the defined period from Feb 21st to April 17th. This reflects an increase of 358%. CODX went from 305 to 1309 for an increase of 329%. Now this one initially shot up from $4 to $26 in a week. So if you would have bought 1,000 shares of CODX before the spike, you would have made over 22 grand that week. So that just shows you the power of how much growth these stocks can experience during periods of high momentum and volatility. And again, BMRA going from 276 to 819 for an increase of 197%. So looking at vaccines, mRNA, we have a growth from 1823 to 4685 for an increase of 157%. NVAX grew from 772 to 1908 for an increase of 147%. Now, both of these stocks have tended to hold their gains over time, so these could be examples of stocks that potentially could be held over longer periods. HTBX going from 20 to 60 cents for an increase of 122%. So here's an example of a good penny stock play that doesn't require you to have a great deal of funds in order to make a good bit of profit. And then INO going from 375 to 826 for an increase of 120%. And treatments, IBIO 30 to 91 cents for an increase of 203%. Another penny stock play there, great for the low budget trader. VIR 1626 to 29.35 for an 81% increase, and IMAC 90 cents to $1.61 for a 79% increase. And medical equipment, AHPI 246 to 1420. So this one really had an explosive growth burst of 477 to date. And actually, this stock initially shot all the way up from $4 to $64 in the same week before it came down, just showing you how volatile and insanely profitable these stocks are. And APT, again, going from 570 to 1328 for an increase of 133% to date. However, initially shooting up from $6 to $49 in the same week. So again, just some really, really amazing stock deals that could potentially have made you a fortune on the way up if you were a bullish trader. And the same thing, if you were a bearish trader, you could have absolutely made a killing shorting it at its peak from $49 as it fell all the way back down to the $13 range. Shelter in place stocks, we have ZM, that's Zoom video software. This has been a really hot play lately, a bit more on the expensive side. This went from 101.76 to 150.06 for an increase of 53%. And finally, Task Force Partners, we have TDOX or Teledoc going from 118.06 to 132.12 for an increase of 12%. Again, a bit more expensive, so I couldn't really recommend these for day trading, but possibly maybe a longer term play perhaps. So as you can see, I've included a wide range of stock prices, and depending on your affordability and budget, you can determine which stock is right for you. And I will be making a separate video about my calculation methods and how I use different calculation methods to determine which stocks are a better investment or a better return for the money. So do be watching out for that if you're interested in learning more about calculations. And as always, please feel free to formulate your own opinions and just use this as a tool to help you in choosing stocks that you feel are right for you. And if you're a trading addict like me and you've been watching the market and eagerly anticipating which stocks will take off to get in on some of that price action, then you can be assured that there are many more stock opportunities coming up each week. So I do recommend setting your scanners to pick up the low float, high volume stocks as they are moving on volume or breaking new highs. And as always, utilize your risk management because that is really important. And do not trade with more than 1% of your account at a time to minimize any losses that you could experience if the trade does go against you. Be sure to take profits early, don't get greedy, and always, guys, have a stop loss in place once you're in a trade. So with that said, if you wish to learn more about how best to trade the stock market during this unprecedented period, then please stay tuned for more videos as I'm committed to bringing you new content each week that you can use. And if you found this tutorial useful, please help this channel grow by liking, sharing, and subscribing. And you can also follow me on IG for an instant follow back at Trade With Me. That's a 3, not an E at the end. And I do thank you for watching. And as always, stay safe, people. Peace out.